All right, good morning, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and get started on our morning work. So if you would please grab your morning workbook. And I'm going to head over to the camera, the document camera. Let's see here. Okay, turn that on. Here we are. Okay. All right, so we are in our morning workbook. And we are going to turn to page 17. So we can correct page 17. It's the one we did on Friday. Okay. So on this one, we had to choose the correct adjective to put into the sentence showing how many or how much. So Mom made a soup with some onions in it or white onions in it. So it says how many or how much. So white tells us the color. Some just gives us a number, like how much they did. So the correct one is some. I went on fun rides at the fair. I went on 3 rides at the fair. Which one says how much or how many? The word 3 says how much or how many. Okay. My uncle can sing many songs. My uncle can sing weird songs. So it says how many, how much? We're going to do many. My uncle can sing many songs. All right, so as we correct these, I want you to hit pause on the video if you ever need time to finish writing anything, if you need to correct anything, so that you can keep doing this with me. That's important. We're doing these together. All right, so let's try some of these. We'll try some tree methods and see how that works. 322 plus 530. We'll do the 0 plus the 2 makes 2. That goes in the ones place. 3 plus 2 or 30 plus 20 is 50. That in the tens place. 5 plus 3 is 8, or 300 plus 500 is 852. Okay. 3 plus 8 is 11. Put that in the ones place and we carry the 1 to the tens. 4 plus 0 is 4 plus 1 more is 5. And then 7. 7 plus 0. All right, let's try this one since we have some room. Let's try the place value. 30 plus 7, and this is 100 plus 0 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 30 plus 0 is 30. 800 plus 100 is 900. So that equals 938. Okay. And then we'll try the stacking method for this one. 358 plus 28. 8 plus 8 is 16. The 6 down, carry the 1. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. 3 plus 0 is 3. So it's 386. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. And 9 plus nothing is 9. Let's stack one more time. 286. Always put the bigger number on top. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1. 8 plus 7 is 15. Plus 1 more is 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 460. And for this bottom one, let's do our place value. 400 plus 30 plus 9 plus 200 plus 0 plus 0. Okay? 9 plus 0 is 9. 30 plus 0 is 30. 400 plus 200 is 600. And then we'll add across 639. 639. All right, so you may have done it a different way. Just check your math. If you have any of these incorrect, change your answer. If you don't know how we got to it, you can copy down however I did any of these problems. So this one is number 8. And this one down here is number 10. This one down here is number 11. And this one down here is number 7. All right, let's go to our story. Donkeys are the most interesting animals. Male donkeys are called jacks. Females are called jennets or jennies. Donkeys eat grass, shrubs, and other plants. They are not beautiful animals. They live in groups or herds with other donkeys. Baby donkeys or foals are much cuter than baby zebras or baby horses. Donkeys usually like warm and dry places to live. We're going to write 2 opinions that we read in the text. Okay. So, they are not beautiful animals. Well, some people think they are beautiful animals. So I think that is an opinion right here. Okay. Baby donkeys or foals are much cuter than zebras and baby horses. That's another opinion right there. This one's an opinion. Donkeys are the most interesting animals. Some people might not agree. So we can write down donkeys are the most interesting animals, and they are not beautiful animals. Or you could put down the baby donkeys and foals are much cuter than baby zebras or baby horses. That's an opinion as well. All right. Okay, so we're finished with this page 17. Please go back if you need to pause it. And then let's just go over what we're going to be doing today, and we will correct on Tuesday morning. Okay, so the top says, read the sentence, complete it using an adjective from the word box. So we have sour, slimy, and muddy. These are all adjectives that describe a noun. So we're going to figure out where to put those words in these sentences here. Number 1, the grass near the pond feels blank under my feet. Which one would work best? Sour, slimy, or muddy? The pond has a blank smell. The water looks dark because it is what? So write the word in. All right. So on this math, we have 3 sets of numbers to add together. So you might want a piece of scratch paper on the side, but let's just do number 4 together. 52 plus 12 plus 90. Stack them up. We're just going to do all place values. So these are the ones. 2 plus 2 plus 0 equals 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 6 plus 9 is 14. Or you can do, or 15, excuse me. Or you can just do 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 5 more. So 15. So 154. You can also do one where you can make that to a one number and do 53 plus 100 is 153. So you can group them together to solve. So go ahead and work those problems all out and get your answers written down there. Okay. And then our story, we're going to read the text and answer the question. The question says, is the main idea of this story a fact or an opinion? Explain how you know. We need to explain how we know. Okay? Bike safety is important. Wearing the right gear will help protect you when you ride your bike. A hard helmet with straps protects your head. Knees and elbow pads protect your knees and elbows from scrapes and bruises. Bicyclists should make sure their shoelaces are tied. They should not wear loose clothing that can get stuck in the bike's tires. Bright clothes are good to wear because they are easily seen by drivers. So what is the main idea? What do you think? What is the main idea or the opinion? Okay. I think the main idea is about how to ride your bike safely. Because it mentions all the things you need to do when bike riding. Okay, something like that. All right, so I helped you with that one. I want you to go ahead and do these problems and this one, and we'll correct that tomorrow. And then go ahead and write down your answer here, or write it in your own words as well. Right. Got myself excited and was helping you, and I gave you the answer. There you go. There's a present for Monday. All right. Let's go back to our main screen. Okay. So you're going to do your morning work today, then you're going to do your vocabulary and your grammar, and then you can listen to our read aloud. Spelling City, they still haven't given me an answer, and I'm so bummed about that because we really need to be practicing our spelling. So I am hoping to have some answers by today. And I will send you a separate message if I can get that worked out. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Work hard and don't forget to finish everything in our folder. Let's see here. We'll go to the folder. Okay, go to the folders and make sure you've gone into read alouds. Grab your daily agenda to see if you've gotten everything done. Morning work, vocabulary, grammar. No spelling unless you want to practice your spelling words from the list that we had the first time. But I'm going to be working on that today. When you're finished with everything on this list, then you can type in done on your assignment over here, and then you will get credit for today for your reading. You're also going to need to do that in math. All right. So I am going to get ready to do our read aloud, and then I'm going to do our math lesson. Have a great day, guys.